Hi, my name's Alan Russo. I'm a Helly Hansen ambassador and product tester. And today I'm going to talk about a piece that I've helped out along the years and watched it evolve, the Helly Hansen mountain jacket. And it's a 3-layer laminate jacket with a silk lined finish, so you can see it easily slides over my full zip hoodie. And has nice, strong, durable YKK zippers on it. Also has nice adjustable cuffs, so you can fit it nice and tightly around you while you're ice climbing or moving around. The cut of the jacket is a bit long, which keeps it nicely tucked in under a harness. And the zips are high, so you can still access your food. Having lots and lots of goo packages stuffed in here to eat while we're en route. Even though it's a really light jacket at 15 ounces, it still is a 3-layer laminate with HeliTech fabric. The jacket is compatible with a climbing helmet. I can zip this up, very protected from the elements here. It's also compatible with a harness, so I can unzip this high pocket and still have access to my food. So that'll do it from the Drolombo Glacier and the Rewalling Himal. Thanks.